Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is to answer a question that I had today. I've seen a few people, I showed the website where you can actually check if your passwords were pawned in some way. And of course, the question that always arises there is, well, what do I do and what happens? And today the question was simple. So a friend told one of the viewers that he was receiving some emails from her Gmail account that she didn't send out. And they kind of agreed that it probably meant that her Gmail account was being actually used by somebody else. So the question that she asks is simply, does changing my password really make me secure? Here's the thing. When you actually have an account, be it a Gmail account, Facebook account, Hotmail account, Outlook account, any account that you might have, Apple account, Amazon account, when you suspect that maybe there could be some weird activity coming out of that, what happens is that usually it can happen that somebody did find out your password and is using your account in some way. The majority of the times your account locks you out. What happens is they change their password to make sure that you lock out of your account, and that is a big problem for a lot of people. But there are cases like this one where it does happen that the account is being used, but it's not being used. It's not, they don't change any information or the password. Or they haven't done it yet. And that's where being very fast at actually, being proactive at doing something, taking action is important as fast as possible. So what do? Simply go to your accounts and change the password. You'll be surprised to know that 99% of the time, just changing your password is enough, because the fact that they have access is simply because that password is still working. And once you change the password, they have no idea. They don't know what password you actually added. But go a little further away. Don't just change the password. If you suspect that there was some activity, some illegal activity done on your accounts, email and so on, or Facebook, and that somebody might have had the possibility to control an account, once you have changed your password, go in your account. Make sure that, if you have recovery email that that you can use if something bad happens hasn't changed. Make sure that if you have, haven't done so, turn on Two Factor Authentication. And if you have done so, make sure that Two Factor Authentication is still linked to the proper device that you have, proper phone or app. It's very important just to verify that nothing in the account has changed from your personal options. If that is done, 99% of the time, just changing the password is enough. So whatever account you have that you think is being hacked, being used by somebody else, change that password. Make sure you do a good password. And most important of all, make sure you have really good passwords and they are different in every account you use online. It's the best way to stay safe. So yes, changing your password has a very high chance of being the only thing that you might need to do if your accounts are being used. But be careful and make sure you do it fast before they change the password and the details of the account. At that point, you lose total control. And unless you have some really solid evidence, it's very difficult sometimes to get an account back when it's actually controlled by somebody else. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.